Why are you doing this to me? Why are you trying to console me? Go console your brother or something. What happened? Did Alex give up? Did he leave me to you? Did you agree or did you shake hands? Are you taking me right now?
Ria, stop it.
Stop what? What will you do if Alex says he's given up and he wants Ria back tomorrow? What then? Will you give up on me again, Yaman?
Ria!
But of course you're the brother. You need to learn to share things, don't you?
I'm just feeling guilty, okay? They scattered because of me. Because I disappeared. I don't want my family to suffer again because of me. That's it, Ria.
So you're sacrificing yourself again? But why do I have to be the other victim in the story, Yaman? Look, I know you very well now. You feel guilty towards me, but I won't be a burden on your shoulders. You don't have to make me feel better now.
You're the only one I feel obligated to. Don't you see? I go, I walk and I come to you. I run. I get caught by you. You hide. I find you. I can't breathe without you, Ria. I'm obliged to you, Ria. I can't break away from you. I'll lose my mind. I'll lose my mind being without you. I just love you like a dog, Ria.